Good day to each and everyone, and welcome back to another learning session. And this is about quarter one, module two, all about preparing sauces that is required for menu items. To start with, let me just give you a trivia. It's hard to stay awake. You need to drink two drinks. That's one hot and one cold. The combination stimulate the senses in your brain and you're going to stay awake. When we talk about this lesson, it will deal with the classifications, bases, thickening agents, common culinary terms, and problems on sauces. Sauce is a flavorful liquid, usually thickened, that is used to season, flavor, and enhance other foods. It's a fluid dressing for poultry, meat, fish, dessert, and other culinary products. It also adds appearance, which is the color and shine, moistness, appeal, and richness to the dish. One of the important components of a dish is the sauce. These enhance the taste of the food to be served as well as add moisture or succulence to food that are cooked dry. First, we have the white sauce. It's a white roux, which is the butter and flour and milk. Next, we have the brown sauce. It's a combination of tomatoes, molasses, dates, apples, tamarind, spices, vinegar, and sometimes raisins. Molasses came from sugarcane. We have savory sauce. It's made from roux and a light stock. The Holland sauce is a white roux, butter and flour, and milk. When we talk about the white roux, it's a combination of butter, egg yolk, and lemon juice with seasoning for accent. For the kinds of sauces, we have the brown sauce. It's a roux paste sauce made with margarine or butter, flavor, and brown stock. An example is the romesco sauce. A butter is made from melted butter or margarine to which seasonings are added. Café de Paris is the sample. A savory butter has four basic sauces and has a basic ingredients like butter that is creamed and blended with other ingredients to give individual flavor. The hollandaise sauce is made by forming an emulsion with a fat sauce as margarine, butter, or salad oil and egg. For the tomato, it is made with tomatoes and seasoned with spices and herbs. Vinaigrette is made from a blend of salad, oil, vinegar, and seasoning. White sauce is made from margarine or butter, flour, and milk, cream, or light stock. These are the different classifications and kinds of sauces. The roux is a cooked mixture of equal parts by weight of fat and flour procedure. First, you have to melt fat. Then you have to add correct amount of flour and stir until fat and flour is thoroughly mixed. Cook the desired degree of white, blonde, or brown. For the mixing, you have to mix the starch with a cold liquid. Example, slurry, which is the water mixture to insoluble matter. A roux is a melted butter mixed with brown flour for thickening soup gravies. We have to mix it with starch, the starch with fat. Example is the roux. And for the roux, these are the following ingredients that we have. We have the margarine, animal fat, which includes chicken fat, beef drippings, vegetable oil, and shortening. We also have clarified butter, which are butter results to the finest sauces because of its flavor. Margarine, which is being used as a substitute for butter because of its lower cost. And vegetable oil and shortening includes chicken fat, beef drippings, and lard. These are some of the thickening agents. The thickening power of flour depends on its starch content. Bread flour is commonly used in commercial cooking. These are thickening agents. We have flour, egg, rice, starch, grains, water, starch, and cream. Common problems in sauce. discarding, oiling off, syneresis, oil streaking. The term whipping is used to describe a marine topping that oozes moisture, which gives finished dessert an attractive appearance. We also have the pour texture. So here you're going to take a look on the ingredient preparation of sauces. For example, if you're going to prepare a light sauce, you need 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 cup of liquid milk or stock or cream. For general sauce, you need 1.5 tablespoon of butter, 1.5 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup milk or stock or cream. For thick sauce, you need 5 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup of milk, stock or cream. For souffle sauce, you need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1 cup of liquid milk, stock or cream. These are hygienic principles and practices in sauce. First, we need to at least make sure your equipment is perfectly clean. We have to take note that the sauce shall no longer than be hold in 1.5 hours. We have to make only enough to serve in this time and discard anything that is left. And never mix an old batch sauce with a new batch. Never hold a hollandaise or béarnaise or any other acid product in aluminum. We have to use a stainless containers. These are the criteria in grading your performance test for sauces. Good for 100, fair for 89, poor for 84. We have to take a look on the general appearance, which includes the color combination is attractive and appealing. The ingredients cook is just right. There are correct consistency that is not mushy, very thick, thin consistency. The palatability, it's delicious or it just tastes just right. And the nutritive value must be highly nutritious. So that's it for today. Hope to see you again on the next lesson. And bye for now.